How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. So Samsung has finally started rolling out One UI 6 Beta 3 and I have already installed this latest version on my S23 Ultra. With that being said, in today's video, I'll be showing you what are the major changes and improvements Samsung has made with this latest version of One UI 6. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Guys, I have already updated my phone and if I just go into settings, you can see it is running the latest One UI 6 and the security patch level still remains the same as Beta 2, which is of 1st September. Now if I quickly show you the changelog, the update is around 1.3 GB in size and as per the changelog, there are some major changes and bug fixes that has been made with this update. So the first change I have noticed is when I play any music on my phone, the media tab in my status bar shows in expanded view, and not only that, let's say if I just minimize it, One UI actually remembers your last choice and next time if you play any music on your phone, the media player tab will open in the same view that you have selected previously. This same thing happens on the lock screen as well, so now you don't have to keep expanding the media player and One UI will remember your choice all the time. Another change that I have noticed is they have fixed the blur effect when you open the quick panel. Now even if you go to the settings and turn on the color palette option, you still get this beautiful blur effect that looks great when you open and access the quick panel. Next change you will find is the performance profile has now been moved to the device care. So now if I go into the device care, from here I can easily change my profile from standard to light. So now you don't have to search and go through different pages, you can find this option just under the device care setting. Apart from this, Samsung also improved the animations when compared to the previous beta, and let me show you all the animations so you'll get a better idea on how smooth the UI feels right now. Honestly, I feel the animations are quite good, but still they are way behind if we start comparing these animations with other Android skins. Now I'll still wait for the stable release. Let's hope Samsung brings non-linear animations in One UI 6. So that's pretty much it for this video. This was a quick video showing all the improvements and changes in One UI 6. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.